First class are the two words that come to mind when you sit in the cabin of this 1995 Toyota Chaser Tourer V. A vehicle perfectly in balance, an inner peace matched only by its outer strength, the Chaser sits at the top of its class of equivalent cars of the era, and even among cars of today. An uncompromising balance of comfort, handling, and power, settled beneath a reserved yet remarkably timeless design, the Chaser is a car for a person who seeks tranquility in their daily commute and errand runs. This car simplifies the world around you. Other cars either get out of your way or you go around them. For those times when you must wait, you do so with patience, as there is nothing outside the Chaser that cannot wait until you have arrived, and nothing inside the Chaser pressures you to leave it. Powered by an amazingly smooth 2.5-liter twin-turbo inline-six mated to a long-geared 5-speed manual transmission, the Chaser moves you effortlessly along the paved paths of life. Double wishbone suspension at all four corners and a limited slip differential allow the car to handle with grace and poise. Even at high speeds, the chassis is not unsettled, and your ride is that of a padded first-class cabin. Even in the driver's seat, you feel as if this car is taking control firmly in hand, giving you the peace of mind to journey unhindered. But the natural athleticism that defines the Chaser belies a devious alter ego. For deep in this Chaser's bones is a desire to do hard pulls and hectic skids. The reliability of the drivetrain means it's easy to build a Chaser for big power, and the suspension design is perfect for any kind of motorsport, in particular drifting. To find a manual Tourer V, that is, the twin-turbo, that has not been modified for this purpose is quite rare, as the mature and established salarymen of Japan who bought these cars new moved on to newer vehicles. The lightly used Chasers found their way into the hands of enthusiasts, where they began their second lives. This Chaser never went that path, the owner choosing instead the perfect balance that the car was designed with, and so it remains today. Still, if you look closely, even the designers knew what they were creating.